7 years of art history. Ph.D. You eat cold noodles while rain leaks through the rotting roof. Every museum rejects your application. The student loan debt collectors call 3 times a day without stopping. Your bank account balance shows negative $40. Dignity is a quiet luxury you can no longer afford. You take a minimum wage job dusting forgotten relics. The fat owner screams loudly about missing 10 cents. The door opens. She walks in smelling of rare perfume and money, ignoring the cheap antiques completely. She points at a worthless landscape canvas covered in dust. You know it holds 0 artistic value. $100,000 in crisp bills hits the glass counter. It is exactly your debt amount. Your hands tremble slightly, touching the cold cash. Morality dissolves instantly when starvation knocks at the door. You close the shop early. The heavy scent of fresh ink overpowers the smell of rotting wood. She left a gold card before walking out. The collectors need an expert for special color correction. No company name, just coordinates and a private number. A one-way ticket out of your misery. You arrive at the coordinates just before midnight. A silent driver waits beside an unmarked black sedan. He crushes his cigarette and points to the back seat. You step inside without asking any questions. The heavy doors lock automatically. You watch your miserable old life disappear quickly in the rearview mirror. The private basement feels like a surgical room. She stands confidently next to a damaged raw sketch. She hands you a leather appraisal book. Your first task is setting a price for absolute garbage. 3 meaningless lines of cheap acrylic paint. A normal appraiser would label this a tragic, childish joke. You swallow hard and write down $2 million. The ink flows smoothly, masking the dirty truth. She takes the paper and taps your shoulder lightly. You are now officially a very useful tool. A black access card rests heavily in your palm. The poor art historian died in that room. First class to Geneva. You sip cold champagne while a polite flight attendant smiles warmly at you. The fake passport feels heavy in your designer jacket. New identity means absolute freedom from past failures. Looking at the clouds above Europe. You tell yourself this is just a game for rich people. Geneva Private Terminal. The gray driver holds a black umbrella, rushing you into a heavily armored truck. The Freeport vault smells like dry chemicals. Trillions of dollars in raw sketches rest quietly behind steel. No taxes and no borders. The items here shift owners constantly, without ever seeing the natural light. Wooden crates crack open under harsh fluorescent lights. The driver steps back to let you do your job. You examine 3 ugly strokes of acrylic. A blind child could paint this disaster in 5 minutes. No one gets physically hurt. Just numbers moving silently through encrypted offshore accounts across the dark web. Back in the sunlit office, she slides an art insurance premium form across the polished mahogany desk. Red wax seals a fake history forever. Dead artists suddenly generate millions of dollars overnight for criminals. You sign the appraisal for $5 million. A simple color correction process makes the dirty cash clean. An accountant takes the papers away silently. The transaction completes without a single physical coin changing hands. Your private offshore balance updates instantly. 7 digits glow brightly against the glass window of the skyscraper. You buy a luxury villa for your parents. The real estate agent bows deeply out of pure respect. Golden keys to a peaceful retirement. The guilt washes away when you see their financial worries disappear. Rooftop drinks with the elite circle. She smiles and toasts to your incredible success in the industry. You joke about the miserable past. You actually believe that you belong to this shiny new world, washing your hands with luxury soap. The mirror reflects a well-dressed man who forgot his morals. The gray driver waits in the shadow. He hands you a thick envelope containing the next big assignment. We unmount classic frames inside the freezing vault. You search for the hidden digital compartments quickly. $50 million stored perfectly inside a dusty hardware wallet. Old wooden canvas hides modern crimes. You extract the cold device with tweezers. He packs it inside a lead box securely immediately. Creating fake provenance requires specific antique materials. The accountant brings out papers from the 19th century. Dead gallery owners sign new certificates from their graves. History gets completely rewritten for premium clients. You massage your tired eyes after forging the dead man. The perfect historical illusion stands before you, sitting in the dark auction back room. She watches you place anonymous bids on your own trash. The digital numbers climb up to $3 million rapidly. Nobody actually buys the terrible painting. The hammer drops heavily in the hall outside. The dirty funds become completely legitimate art sales. You visit a highly respected rival gallery owner politely. He welcomes you with warm, blind trust. He smiles brightly, showing his finest antique collection. Your cold eyes scan his hidden wall safe. A toxic, forged document burns inside your inner jacket pocket. The trap is set perfectly tonight. You roll up the window, blocking the bright gallery. Destroying an innocent man feels terribly easy. Fog covers the dark alleyway behind the gallery. The professional driver picks the lock silently fast. He opens the metal safe without triggering alarms. You swap the real history with poisoned lies. War-stolen art papers rest quietly inside the cold steel. The old man is absolutely finished. You wash your hands aggressively in the dark bathroom. No amount of hot soap cleans this. You report the successful infiltration in the luxury suite. She blows thick smoke, masking her smile. A burning cigar rests calmly next to expensive champagne. Powerful people celebrate destroying lives with drinks. She hands over a thick bonus envelope wrapped tightly. You accept the heavy reward without complaining. You watch the critics raid the old gallery through heavy rain. The poisoned papers work perfectly tonight. Flashing emergency lights reflect brightly on your cold face. A lifetime of honest work shatters into pieces. The driver hands you a glowing tablet silently. Breaking news flashes across the bright digital screen immediately. You stare at the respected man dragged out in handcuffs. Guilt tries to crawl into your throat. Dining at a fine restaurant while lives are ruined. She cuts her rare steak with elegant precision. Fresh red juice leaks slowly onto the white porcelain. Elite business always requires someone to bleed eventually. A text confirms the old man jumped from his balcony. She sips red wine without looking up. You adjust your silk tie in the cold mirror. The permanent exhibition claims its very first victim. The next morning brings a massive stack of fresh contracts. The tragedy simply increases your market value. Heavy brass crushes hot red wax into a solid seal. Another multi-million-dollar lie becomes reality. You stamp the papers with absolute mechanical precision now. Your human empathy died with that old man. The wet ink dries quickly under the bright office lights. You feel absolutely nothing inside your chest. Inside the freezing vault again. The driver opens crates containing the dead rival's newly acquired antique collection. You clean the priceless bronze sculpture with a soft handkerchief. The true cost of this business is immeasurable. She touches the stolen masterpiece with deep, dark satisfaction. You document the new fake ownership history silently. She throws a black velvet box directly at your chest. A luxury reward for keeping your mouth shut. Brilliant diamonds flash blindly against the dark red velvet background. Time ticks away along with your soul, standing alone inside a silent penthouse above the glowing city. Wealth builds an incredibly lonely ivory tower. The gray driver pours expensive champagne into a crystal glass. He serves you without making eye contact. You toast to the dead man with a cold driver. The monster inside you is fully awake. Paranoia creeps into your perfectly tailored suit. You dismantle a priceless canvas, searching for tiny listening devices. Nothing hidden behind the old wood. Your brilliant mind starts playing terrifying tricks inside the dark room. You trust absolutely nobody anymore. Even the quiet accountant looks like a dangerous spy in the shadows. A dark emergency bag sits heavily behind the bronze sculpture, prepared for a sudden, unexpected, permanent exhibition. Fake identity passports and encrypted hardware wallets wait silently. The ultimate exit strategy for a trapped rat. You zip the bag aggressively, loudly. You wonder exactly how much they paid the quiet driver. Elegant elite parties suddenly feel like crowded minefields. Every polite smile hides a sharp, invisible dagger tonight. Expensive golden bubbles spill onto the dark red carpet. The rich celebrate while the system slowly crumbles. She holds your arm tightly, whispering soft praises. You feel cold steel pressing against your fragile throat. Riding in the armored truck feels like a moving prison. The quiet driver navigates the wet streets. A strange, dark vehicle follows closely behind in the fog. Paranoia turns ordinary traffic into terrifying threats. You yell at him to drive much faster immediately. He ignores your panic and keeps steady speed. The heavy doorbell rings shortly past midnight. Your heart stops completely inside your frozen chest right now. A faceless figure stands completely still outside the main gate. The critics usually arrive unannounced and heavily. You press against the cold marble wall, breathing heavily. The luxurious golden keys offer absolutely zero protection, destroying evidence inside a metal bin frantically. The quiet accountant watches you burn millions of fake dollars. Bright orange flames consume the beautiful forged signatures quickly. Ash floats silently, filling the toxic office air. You grab his expensive collar, shaking him violently. Erasing digital trails becomes the absolute highest survival priority. Dialing her private number with extremely shaking fingers. The line stays quiet, except for heavy, cold breathing. The call drops completely without a single word. They abandoned you to face the angry critics alone. Shattered glass flies everywhere inside the cold vault. The heavy critics arrive violently without warning tonight. Heavy military boots destroy your brilliant fake masterpiece. Millions of dirty dollars turn into worthless dust. Blinding tactical lights hit your exhausted, sweating face. You drop the golden pen, surrendering your false kingdom. The quiet accountant falls hard onto the concrete. You watch him bleed silently under harsh fluorescent lights. Cold steel cuffs lock tightly around your wrists. Your expensive designer suit offers zero protection anymore, dragging your expensive shoes across the dirty floor. The permanent exhibition welcomes its newest terrified guest completely. Your emergency escape bag splits completely open now. $100 bills scatter helplessly across the cold floor. They smash your pale face against thick glass. You taste fresh blood mixing with your expensive cologne. The gray driver walks past, ignoring your screams. Loyalty disappears instantly when the invisible system collapses down, falling heavily down onto your shaking, weak knees. The brilliant art historian officially becomes a pathetic criminal. sitting violently inside a dark, cold interrogation room. The angry critic throws a completely blank digital tablet. Your offshore accounts show absolute zero balances everywhere. The powerful collectors erased your entire wealthy existence overnight. He taps the metal desk, demanding answers loudly. You realize they left you holding the burning building. Thousands of forged papers carry your exact signature. The elegant trap closes tightly around your fragile neck, hiding your crying face behind shaking, dirty hands. The luxurious nightmare finally reaches its dark, brutal ending. He blows thick cigarette smoke into your eyes, showing a picture of your recruiter with another identity. Her smiling, elegant face looks completely foreign now. She manipulated your desperate poverty from the very beginning. You scream her fake name loudly in anger. The experienced critic just shrugs his shoulders without pity. He packs up the heavy files, walking away, leaving you drowning inside this silent gray concrete box. A hot tear falls, hitting the cold cuffs. You sold your soul cheaply for absolute nothing today, wearing cheap orange fabric inside a visiting room. Your aging parents cry silently, touching cold glass. Tears blur the thick window, separating two different worlds. The luxury villa is completely gone now. Holding the rusty plastic phone tightly against your ear, you finally understand the true absolute cost. Standing trial inside a massive wooden courtroom, alone, a cheap public defender flips through empty papers. The heavy judge drops his wooden gavel, loudly ending your freedom. Years of prison handed down. Handcuffed wrists reflect the bright afternoon sunlight warmly. The brilliant academic mind rots behind steel bars, sitting violently inside a tiny, smelly concrete cage. Your new roommate breathes heavily, doing daily exercises, scratching another deep line into the gray, peeling wall, counting meaningless days inside a permanent exhibition, staring blindly at pale moonlight crossing thick iron bars. Sleep provides the only temporary fragile escape. Meanwhile, the underground system keeps running smoothly without you. A new, handsome director arrives today, smiling. Fresh red wax seals another completely fake document instantly. Trillions of dirty dollars flow silently again. The gray driver hides cold devices inside wooden frames. Absolutely nothing changes except the tragic victim. Elite collectors drink expensive champagne celebrating new massive wealth. The beautiful woman smiles charmingly, replacing you, walking slowly across the dusty concrete prison yard alone. The violent machine feeds on poverty completely. A heavy, armed guard watches your tired, slow steps. Reading about ordinary life feels horribly painful. Cheap canvas shoes crush a forgotten daily newspaper completely. You shield your eyes from harsh sunlight, trading precious personal freedom for empty digital account numbers. The wealthy collectors erased your entire existence, looking back at the high stone walls one last time. Regret burns fiercely inside your chest, disappearing forever into the long, dark corridor of failures. The fine art appraiser officially becomes nothing. The story is fiction, but the system creating people like this is real. Drop a comment.